Just a na?
Nah, hey, can they go to the car? There we go. This is the Land Rover's October event, Rocky Gap Lodge event.
Yeah.
So we are coming across one of the first, I guess, what do you call it? Difficult terrains. We're gonna go through water. Right side is the easy one, and left side is supposed to be the difficult.
So what are we doing? Left.
I wanted to do the left.
So why aren't we doing the left?
I guess this is the left. That's the right. So we are doing the difficult. There you go.
Mamma mia!
Shut up.
Bismillah. Bye.
It's an original recording.
There you go. All right.
Help!
It wasn't all that difficult.
And we made it.
Do we go
You might get some colorful